Hello friends, myself MD Qayyum, a civil engineer from JILD Academy. A warm welcome back to all the viewers of our academy. I am back with a new video of G plus 2 floor plan with the dimensions of 32 feet 6 inches by 27 feet 10 and a half inches. But before going to discuss in detail, I request all the viewers of our academy, those who did not subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe to get the latest notification. Before going to discuss in detail, let's view the plan. Dimensions are available. All the outer walls of 9 inches and inner walls are of 4.5 inches. And the main door of size 4 feet, and the D1 indicate doors of bedrooms of size 3 feet, and D2 indicates doors of toilets of 2 feet, whereas windows of dimension 4 feet and ventilator of dimension of 2 feet. So this is a east facing plan, and the plan has designed as per Vastu. So here this is the entrance of our ground floor plan. So here you can view this is a 6 feet gate we have provided. When we enter into the plan, you can view a lavish parking area is available of dimension 10 feet 11 and a half inches by 12 feet 11 inches. So from this parking area you can park motor vehicles etc. And on the left hand side you can view a staircase of width 5 feet 10 and a half inches. This staircase can be used for moving towards the first floor and second floor. Now I am entering into the hall of the ground floor of a dimension 8 feet 10 and a half inches by 14 feet 9 inches. So here this is a main door, and we have entered into the hall of dimension 8 feet 10 and a half inches by 14 feet 9 inches. So this is a very comfortable lavish area. In hall we have plotted sofa set along with the teapot. From hall you can enter into the kitchen of dimension 5 feet 6 inches by 11 feet 1 inches. So this kitchen we have provided one door, small door towards the balcony of size 2 feet. So this setback we have provided for the purpose of ventilation. I am returning back to the kitchen. From kitchen again I am entering into the hall. From hall you can view there is a common toilet of size 3 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. From hall I am entering towards the master bedroom of dimension 10 feet by 10 feet 8 and a half inches. So this is a master bedroom of our ground floor plan, which is attached with a toilet of 4 feet by 5 feet 6 inches. I am returning back to the hall. From hall I am entering to the another bedroom of dimension 10 feet by 9 feet 6 inches. So here this bedroom is also having one more door. On the towards the right side we have again, you can view there is a setback of 3 feet we have left here. So this balcony can also be used for entering towards the directly to this bedroom. So now let's move towards the first floor. So this is a first floor plan, and the dimensions are available here. Walls are of 4.5 inches and the main door of 3 feet 4 inches. Doors of bedrooms 3 feet, doors of toilets and other kitchens etc. of 2 feet 6 inches, and toilet doors of size 2 feet, whereas windows are of 4 feet, sub windows are 3 feet and ventilator of 2 feet. So in the first floor we have, as per the client requirement, in the very small plot area we have planned in such a way that we have planned 2 portions of 1 BHK. So here I am entering towards the first floor. This is the entrance of one portion of size which is available a lobby of 3 feet 4 inches. I have entered. On the left hand side you can view a kitchen of dimension 5 feet 5 and a half inches by 5 feet 11 inches. From this kitchen again I can also enter towards the hall. hall is having a sufficient area of 8 feet 11 inches by 8 feet 11 inches by 10 feet 1 inches. In hall we have plotted a sofa set along with teapot and a LCD. Very comfortable view. From hall you can also take the enjoyment towards the balcony of size 2 feet 8 inches and which is having a common toilet of 5 feet 6 inches by 3 feet 5.5 inches. So this is a common toilet for all the family members of one portion. Now I am returning back to the hall. From hall I have entered to the bedroom of our one portion of dimension 10 feet 5 inches by 12 feet 11.5 inches. So this is also very comfortable master bedroom, we can also say. So very comfortable dimensions are available for one portion. As similar as now I am returning back, I am entering towards the balcony of size 5 feet 10.5 inches. Now I am entering to the another portion of our. So here you can also view, this is also having the same similar dimension of 3 feet 4 inches lobby. On the left hand side a kitchen of 5 feet 5.5 inches by 6 feet 2.5 inches. From kitchen I am returning back to the hall of a dimension of 8 feet 11 inches by 9 feet 11 inches. So this is also having a comfortable view. This hall is provided a door towards a balcony of 2 feet 6 inches. From this door you can enter to a common toilet of dimension 5 feet 6 inches by 2 feet 10.5 inches. From this I am returning back to the hall. From hall I can enter to the bedroom of dimension 10 feet 4.5 inches by 9 feet 11 inches. So this is a first floor plan with two portions. One portion consists of one bedroom, hall, kitchen. So this is a very comfortable plan. As similar as the plan, the second floor is also having the same dimension. This is the staircase provided and all the dimensions are as similar as the first floor. So friends, I request all the viewers who did not subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe, like and share to the near and dear one. Thanks for watching.